Hello everyone, my name is Today I will read a book, Dogs and Walk. Dogs are hard workers. They help people in many different ways. This is a herding dog. He keeps the sheep together and moves them from place to place. This is a service dog. He guards her person and warns of danger. This is a search and rescue dog. He follows mouse and other clues to find lost people. These are sled dogs. They work together to carry heavy loads and run messy through the snow. This is a therapy dog. It gently makes people feel better. This is a police dog. He helps keep everyone safe. This is a stunt dog. He does tricks to make us laugh. This is my dog. Her job is to be my best friend. Bye bye everyone.